Conoci, Telenoticia, televidentinan. Copa America is around the corner. It is, of course, a very exciting time for all soccer/football fans out there. Telearuba has the full broadcasting rights to every live game. Now, did you know there's more than meets the eye when it comes to broadcasting a live soccer match? Well, let's dive into it further with our very own Andrew Vrolijk.
Here on the island, the people love soccer.
He can say that again. The Copa America Championship 2024 is around the corner. It is one of the most anticipated sporting events in the world, especially for our South American friends.
So Copa America is one of the most passionate soccer championship. It's because Latin America is very passionate about their soccer, football. So, you know, Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, those are teams that are very here in our hearts on the island. So Argentina is the last champion, and also Argentina is the last champion of the World Cup. So a lot of people will be watching if Messi will be playing his last Copa America and being a champion again with Argentina.
Sounds like all eyes will be on Lionel Messi. You can bet a lot of fans will be watching all the Copa America games. Good thing it will be easy for our local fans to catch the matches since Telearuba has the exclusive broadcasting rights. For many World Cup and Copa America championships, Telearuba has been at the helm of transmitting it and putting on a great production.
Our team is very professional. Since 2018, we have this group of commentators with us. Not so much change. So the same people, we have the same job, the same chemistry going on screen. So everyone knows what everyone is thinking about. So it goes very good for the public to know, for the fans.
Even though the first official Copa America match isn't until June 20th, trust me that there has been a lot of tremendous work being done already from the Telearuba Copa America team.
Before production, that's the hardest part, doing the pre-production that everyone doesn't know about. But behind the scenes, there's a lot of job going on.
For the regular viewers of Telearuba, you'd know that Andrew is one of the faces of Channel 13 as he is a news anchor for Telenoticia. But for Copa America, he shifts from being on screen to behind the scenes.
I'm doing the executive producer part. Most of the times, the executive producer, I know soccer very well, so I'm giving them all the info so the commentators can have everything on their desk so they know what to talk, and I want them to talk what I give them. So that's my job to provide them with all the info, the best info we can get for, well, this Copa America.
Andrew also loves his evening anchor role on Telenoticia, but this switch over to soccer is welcomed since everyone can agree on sports.
It gives you adrenaline, you know, giving the public something to look at, the Copa America, the passion about the sport. Giving them every info that you know, that you want them to know about. It's what drive me. So about my daily job, daily routine, I'm doing politics and everything, every day, in and out. To move from that to sports is the best feeling because not everyone loves politics. But sports, it's passion, it's adrenaline, and it's 90 minutes of just looking to see who's gonna score and who's gonna win.
For professional, exciting, and informative televised matches, make sure to watch all 32 games on Channel 13, 23, or on Telearuba's website, and even the app. Aruba's local station brings out our own flavor, flair, and style with broadcasting the soccer matches, and you won't be able to find it anywhere else.
Well, yes, because we have a different vibe. Different vibe from the States, different vibe from the Latin America part. In our own language, papiamento. It has a slang. They have like things that they will yell at, the different type of yelling, like goals. They have a different way of telling it. But yeah, we are very different from South America and also the States. So that's why when you're here, It's very nice if you can see our local broadcast and see how passionate we are about our broadcasting a soccer match.
Now let's have Andrew encourage all our viewers to tune in to Telearuba for all Copa America matches.
Well, sintonizar Telearuba, Canal 23, para lo que trata Copa América 2024, iniciando desde 20 de junho até 4 de julho, tudo 32 juega aqui mesmo na Telearuba. Enjoy junto conosco e Asina também por mira quem é campeão de Copa América 2024.
A very big thank you to Andrew for doing the interview with me and informing me more on the pre-production and the behind the scenes when it comes to Telearuba airing Copa America. Para Telenoticia, Amita, Yentl Lieuw.